Hey, what's going on, guys? Aaron here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the Rewardy app, okay? And you landed on this website and you're wondering, hey, can you actually make money? Can you start earning just by doing a bunch of random things on this particular website? Let's take a look at it. Is this a good way for you to make money? Is this a waste of time? How much money can you really make, okay? Or are there better ways to generate income on the internet? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 every single month, 100% from home, just click the link below this video and I'll send you that strategy for free straight to your email. You can check it out if you want, okay? Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online, all sorts of different websites, GPT websites, surveys, watching videos, playing games, all sorts of business models and courses. And some of them are great ways to make a lot of money, potentially, huge income, but a lot of them actually don't pay out that much. And some of them are just straight up fake and scam. So let's take a look at Rewardy to see whether this is legit. How much do they pay? All that great stuff, all right? Now, Rewardy is a GPT style website, get paid to click website. I've reviewed hundreds of them, right? There are a lot of good ones out there. Inbox Dollars, Prize Rebel, websites like that, right? And this one is very, very similar. So you can come here, you can access it from anywhere in the world, right? A little bit messy here going on, okay? It's kind of interesting how it looks. It's got over 500,000 registered users. It says that the average user withdrew $8 yesterday. We'll talk about this more later, okay? Because this is actually this is quite misleading right here. And the total earn is $358,000 that they paid out, okay? So it seems pretty cool, all right? Let's take a look at it. You can register for free, and then what you would do is you would click on this little earn button right here, all right? And they have a few different ways to make money. First is you can click on what's called paid offers, right? If you click on paid offers, you're going to see that Rewardy works with a lot of very big offer providers, okay? So I've been doing this a long time. I've reviewed a lot of these style of websites. These are some of the biggest paid offer companies: Review, OfferToro, Lootably, Time Wall, AdGate Media, Monlix, right? Ascend Media. If you've seen any of my other GPT reviews, a lot of the good GPT websites have these companies, all right? Now, all this is these companies have all sorts of different offers. Now, what an offer is basically they allow you to, they give you a certain amount of points and rewards based on what the offer is. And the offer is always different, but it will require you to do certain things and hit certain milestones or jump through different hoops, okay? So for example, one of the offers might be to download a game for free, and once you reach a certain level in the game and you do a certain amount of points, like maybe you have to reach level 30, for example, it's quite difficult, okay? Then they will reward you with a certain amount of bonus points or money. All right, so it could be that they'll give you, 10,000 points, or they'll give you $10 in vouchers, that kind of thing. But they always require you to do something in order to get that reward. So some of them can be very tough, and some of them can take quite a while. It might not take, even a few hours. Some of them might take a week for you to hit that milestone. Okay, so some of them will also require you to actually, put down your credit card information. Okay, so for free, you put your credit card info, and then in a week they'll charge you. So you have to remember to cancel your credit card before you take part in any of these offers, before they charge you, I should say, right? So just be careful, that's all. Now, it is possible to make quite a decent amount with paid offers, but just remember that some of them take a long time. Some of them require you to do a lot of different things. Like some of them require you to spend $50 before they give you back $30, for example, right? So it's not 100% free. They always require you to do something, okay? Another thing is to watch streams. So if you click on the watch stream option right here, you can see here that you can watch different streams, and the way that you would make money from this is as you watch, let's just say you watch this particular video right here, right? After you watch the video, they will pay you a certain amount of points, okay? So the points could be, 10 coins, it could be 30 coins, but it's not going to be that much, all right? Because on every single video that you watch, they're going to show you a bunch of ads. So they get paid through ad revenue, and they will pay you, they will reward you just a tiny little bit of money or coins in order for you to, for example, you can see here, watch streams is 50 coins, right? Listen to music. So if you listen to music right here, you get paid or you have to actually be logged in to check out the music, all right? But you get rewarded 50 coins for every single song that you listen to. We'll talk about how much the coins are worth, right? And how easy it is for you to earn. You can watch clips right here. You need to be logged in. You can take quizzes, okay? And each quiz might pay you, 5 coins, which is actually very, very little, right? 5 coins right here. This is 2 minutes, right? So it's not long, right? Social studies, that kind of thing, 5 coins, but you'll see that it's going to be quite difficult to earn because the coins aren't worth that much, all right? So let's take a look at how much the coins are really worth, right? So if you want to, if you're playing this every single day, let's just say you spend a few hours a day on this particular website and you're ready to withdraw, you click on the withdraw button, and there are a few ways that you can withdraw, which is pretty cool. You can withdraw through PayPal, which I think is the best way. You can withdraw through stake and through cryptocurrency like Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum. You can also get gift cards like Amazon and Roblox, okay, depending on what you prefer. I like PayPal because PayPal is an easy way to withdraw, all right? And you'll see very quickly that there's a minimum of 5,500 points if you want to withdraw, okay? That means that you must earn at least 5,000 points in order for you to withdraw, right? And that's $5. So that means that $1 is equal to 1,000 coins. That means in order for you to withdraw through PayPal, you must earn 5,000 coins, right? Now, think about how long it's going to take you to earn 5,000 coins, right? You already know that some of the rewards will give you 100 coins. If you watch a stream, you'll get 50 coins, right? If you take the quizzes, you'll get 5 coins. So it's going to take you quite a long time to get up to 5,000 coins, right? It's going to take you literally a few hours every single day in order to get that, right? Now, and the interesting thing is if you look at the front here, right? If we go back to the main page of Rewardy, if I can get there. Sorry, it's a bit stuck. Let's just jump back to the first page, okay? You'll see that it says on average the users withdrew $8, okay? This is slightly misleading because if you go to the leaderboard, you'll really see how many points people are winning on a daily basis, okay? So the cool thing is for the first, second, and third place, if you rank for that particular day within a 24-hour period, they will give you a reward of 3,000 coins, 2,000 coins, and 1,000 coins, okay? But let's see how many points they actually earn. Now, the number 1 rank here, this person, RC Gen, right? They probably spent like 12 hours on this website, okay? Because they made 15,000 points. That's really, really difficult to do, all right? So it's possible, but it's very unlikely that you're gonna earn 15,000 points. Because if you look at the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th ranking and all the way to the, this is the top 100 people on this website, right? On average, okay, you can see that people are earning about 2,700 coins, 1,800 coins, 1,600 coins, 1,400 coins. So you can see that this is, $2.70, $1.80, $1.60, $1.40. But if you go back, and these are like the top 10 people, right? So the top 10 are earning about $1, $1.80, $1.50. But this is like the top 10. So if you want to go back down, you'll see that actually people are earning closer to 70 cents, 59 cents, 45 cents, 44 cents, right? 25 cents. So it's not that much money, okay? Because these are the top 100 people in the world that are using this particular website, right? So on average, you'll probably only earn 23 cents. You can see here 30 cents, let's say $1.20 a day, okay? It's not that much, right? Now, yes, they're going to give you some extra points right here, okay? They'll give you some extra prize money if you're in the top 10. So let's just say you average about 300 points, so that's 32 cents. You get another 39 cents, so that's, what's that? That's about 70 cents that you made that day. Okay, so on average, let's just say if you hustle and you're on this website for a couple of hours a day, you'll probably make about $1 a day, right? So you have to ask yourself, is it a good use of your time? Well, I don't know. I think that, look, if you have a couple of hours a day online, it's not that this isn't legit. This is legit. There are different ways that you can earn. They work with some very, very big paid offer companies, survey companies, quiz companies, and stuff like that. They're obviously a legit business, Rewardy, right? They're a legit website, and you can make money this way. But if you're spending a few hours on it, you can see on the leaderboard itself, this is the global leaderboard, right? People aren't making that much money from this website. They're earning about maybe $1 to $2 a day, and that's if you're doing really, really well, all right? So Is there a better way for you to make money if you're spending a couple of hours online? Absolutely. I think that, look, if you have a couple of hours a day, you should be spending that on a high income skill set, and you should be making hundreds of dollars, not $1 or $2 a day. All right. So what I would say with Rewardy is that this is a cool and legit GPT style website, but just like all GPT style websites, they don't pay out that much money because they can't, right? You know, if you're listening to music, you're watching streams, you're watching ads, you're downloading offers, they can't possibly pay you that much money because of the business model, right? So I think it depends on where you live in the world. Look, if you live in a country where $1 or $2 a day is life-changing, then I would definitely check out Rewardy. But for most of you that are watching this video, $1 or $2 is not going to change your life every single day. Okay, $30 a month extra is not life-changing income. You can't travel the world, you know, you can't retire, you can't become a millionaire, nothing like that, right? So maybe this type of website isn't suitable for the majority of people that are watching this video, okay? But is it legit and is it free? Yeah, absolutely. So if you want to check it out, rewardy.io if you would like to check out this particular website, okay? Now, if you're watching this video though, and maybe you live in a part of the world where you're looking for life-changing income, right? Hundreds of dollars a day. It is possible to do it online. I mean, I've done it. A lot of my students have done it. But you have to be willing to learn a high-income skill set. So if you would like to find out my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below, and I'll send you that strategy straight to your email. You can check it out for free if you would like, right? This works everywhere in the world. I hope you enjoyed this review of Rewardy, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.